All right, here's the deal. If you're working inside of Zoom and you've recorded a meeting, that's awesome. But what about like the transcript and being able to find things that were said in the meeting quickly and easily? You think your recording is really going to help you with that? I don't personally think so. I think it's a really rough time. But lucky for you, there's an AI note-taking solution that is going to solve all of your problems by taking a previously recorded Zoom meeting and transcribing it just for you. Now, how can this be done? This can be done very simply by going to Tactiq.io, creating an account, logging in, and uploading that file to the product. So as you can see here, this Tactiq product is a free Chrome extension that allows you to not only transcribe meetings in products like Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx, but it also allows you to upload a transcript or recording from a file. So let's say I wanted to take this Luca interview, which is an interview I had the other day from someone I'm looking to hire on the team. And I just want to take a deeper look at what necessarily we talked about. Let me just drag this over here and press upload. Now, I did have this meeting today, so I was able to just upload it quickly, but you can change the meeting start time to whatever you want there. So let's say, for example, we wait a few minutes, we come back and we see this is going to be uploaded. And I personally love this because it allows me to do some of the great things that exist inside of Tactiq. Like for example, as you can see in some of the other meetings I've done, I've pressed a quick prompt to summarize and create action items. So for this meeting, you can see we had the agenda here, the key points that were discussed, and then some action items to follow up. All of this can be edited afterwards since, obviously with AI, it's not going to get it 100% perfect when it comes to the formatting or anything that you want, honestly. It's just a great starting point to remind you of things. And I could ask very specific questions like, what was one of the more intriguing parts of the conversation I had with Mohammed? And then press ask. And then it said one of the more intriguing parts was how Mohammed was excited about reconnecting with a friend who had moved to Dubai. This is true. That's what I probably would have said. So shout out AI for getting it right, because I agree that was pretty intriguing. Now, this is going to take a couple minutes to process only because of the length of the meeting. As you can see, this meeting is 41 minutes long, but if you did upload a shorter meeting, it wouldn't be as much of a problem. But shout out to Zoom for having this exist and being able to go back and forth with the two people talking and capture the screen recording too. I think it's great that it can record like that, but this is simply for transcripts, what we're looking at. And as noted previously, not only will it work with MP4s, but it actually can work with different product recordings. Obviously, there's not going to always be the same type of file as Zoom has that MP4. It can work with VTT, TXT, PDF, DOCX, Excel, MP3, MOV, and also you can set the language rather than auto detect to be the specific one, as well as you can have a max file size of 2 gigabytes. Now, as we wait for that to load, I am going to just tell you one or two more things about Tactiq that might intrigue you. First, Tactiq is a great product because of its flexibility in pricing. If you simply want to actually record the meetings as it's happening with the transcriptions, you can just put down no credit card, get the product for free, try it for 10 transcripts a month, no strings attached. It gives you some AI credits as well. The Pro plan will give you more AI credits and unlimited transcripts for $8 per user per month. And the team plan is $16.7 per user per month with unlimited transcripts and unlimited AI credits as well. There's a lot of flexibility in this product because of all the different functionality it has for team members and for individuals. It's simple, quick, and easy to use, and everyone I know loves it, so definitely recommend trying it out. All right, so now, as you can see here, there is the entire transcript, and I can ask the same type of questions as I had previously. Like I can get a summary and action items, and it'll spit out how it was an interview and how I asked some questions, right? So action items for interviewer, action items for candidate, and a quick summary saying during the meeting, the participants discussed a potential collaboration for a social media management role. Exactly. I can ask things like, what was the most impressive experience from the candidate for this role? And then press ask. So Evan Carmichael was someone he had worked with before, and that's a very impressive bit of information to have on your resume. So big fan of that. So if you're looking to not only use this product for summarizing previous interviews from Zoom meetings, you also can do the exact same thing just by, having it installed onto your Chrome browser and simply having it transcribe all the captions in there. It's my favorite product for quick note-taking and AI summarization. Obviously, I know I'm a little biased because I work here, but it's great. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate each and every one of you for watching all the other videos here at Tactiq. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the link down below to try out Tactiq today.